Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing a serious and often devastating disease called malignant pleural mesothelioma. Malignant mesothelioma is a type of cancer that primarily affects the lungs lining of the lungs, and it caused by exposure of asbestos. In this video, we will dive into mesothelioma in its cases, symptoms, treatment options, and potential for Macedonia settlement in 2023. So let's get started. Before we explore the current situation, it's important to understand the origin of Macedonia. Asbestos, a naturally occurring mineral, was widely used in construction, manufacturing, and other industries for its heat and fire resistant properties. Unfortunately, prolonged exposure to asbestos fibers can lead to serious health consequences, including mesothelioma. Malignant pleural mesothelioma specifically affects the lining of the lungs known as pleura. Symptoms can include chest pain, shortness of breath, coughing, and fatigue. However, it's important to note that symptoms may not appear until several decades after exposure, making early detection challenging. When it comes to mesothelioma treatment, multidisciplinary approach is typically employed. Treatment options may include surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, and emerging treatment like immunotherapy. It's crucial for patients to consult with their healthcare team to determine the best course of action based on their individual circumstances. Now let's discuss Macedonia settlement. In recent years, there has been increased awareness of the harm caused by asbestos exposure, leading to legal action and compensation for victims. Macedonia settlements or financially agreement reached between asbestos companies or affected individuals or their families. Legal assistance. If you have loved as or one has been diagnosed with Macedonia, it's important to consult with an experienced Macedonia or attorney who specialize in asbestos litigation. They can guide you through the legal process and help pursue the compensation you deserve. Compensation type. Macedonia settlement can include various types of compensation such as medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other related damages. The exact amount of the settlement will depend on factors such as severity of the illness, the extent of asbestos exposure, and the responsible parties involved. Time frame. The duration of Macedonia settlement cases can vary. Some cases may be resolved through negotiation and settlement in outside of court, while other may proceed to trial. The complexity of each case and willingness of the parties to reach an agreement can influence the time frame. Seeking justice. Macedonia settlement can only provide financial support, but also serve as a means of holding asbestos companies accountable for their negligence. By pursuing legal action, victims and their families can raise awareness about the dangers of asbestos and potentially prevent future cases of Macedonia. It's important to remember that every Macedonia case is unique and legal process can complex. If you or someone it's affected by Macedonia, I encourage you to seek legal advice to explore your options. Thank you for joining us today. We will discuss Macedonia, its impact, and potential Macedonia settlement in 2023. Thanks for watching our video. Please take care. So guys.